Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In summer, no-bake cakes are always such a fun idea, so I thought today I share with you a recipe that I very much enjoyed, even though I don't really like strawberries. So you want to start out with some of these cookies and you want to just crumble them down until they are very, very small and almost like a flour. Next up, you want to melt your butter, and I used a microwave for that, just for a minute or so, and then it's completely melted. You also want to prepare your cake tin with some baking paper in the bottom. Now you want to mix the cookie crumbles and the butter until everything is combined completely, and then you can go ahead and start pressing that down in your baking tin. You want to make sure you create an even layer and you press it down quite a bit so that it sticks together with the butter. And then you want to put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. Now you want to grate the peel of your lemon. I never know how to call that, but you see what's happening. You want to take some cream cheese, some mascarpone, and some yogurt. You want to add your powdered sugar, and this turns out quite sweet, so maybe cut back a little bit on the sugar if you want. Then you want to add the lemon peel and some vanilla extract, and then you want to give it a mix. And you want to do that with your hand because you should not overmix it or it won't stay stiff enough for the cake, it will turn liquid. So just mix until it is barely even, and then you're done. You want to get your cake tin again, and you want to spread this cream cheese stuff all over and make sure you create a nice even layer with it. This is almost like ASMR for your eyes, I guess. Next up, you want to prepare your strawberries. You want to cut out the green and then you want to cut them into slices. And then you can decorate your cake with that. Now, I don't know if this is enjoyable to watch or if it makes me motion sick. So yeah, I just decided to leave it in. Just do with it whatever you want, but you can create whatever kind of pattern you want. We just basically did these circles and I think it turned out quite pretty. And then you want to let that cool down in the fridge for 2 hours. Then you can take a knife and you want to run that all along the side of your baking tin, and then you are ready to remove it. And this is always the important part, and as you can see, it turned out perfectly and it was so delicious. So I hope you give it a try. I think it's perfect for summer. The lemon gives it quite a bit of like this freshness, and it's quite sweet with the like cookies on the bottom and also the sugar in the cream. So yeah, it's just a very nice combination of flavors, and I hope you give it a try. Talk to you soon. Bye.